If your Microsoft Teams screen share isn't working, or the call disconnects after 1 or 2 minutes, here's the quick fix that worked for me. As you can see, the team is not working, chat is not working, and calls are not working. So, let's move on to the solution. Press Windows+R and hit Enter. In the pop-up windows, type this command. The command text will be in the description. When the folder opens, delete the LocalCache and LocalState folders. After that, open Task Manager, find Microsoft Teams, right-click it, and choose End Task or Terminate. Now reopen Microsoft Teams, and that's it. The screen sharing button will appear, and calls will stay connected without cutting off.